Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. My name is Shiva. I'm a digital marketer with 20 years of experience in the industry, and I started this digital era AI channel to share the skills that I have learned over the years. And I'll be sharing AI videos as the digital industry has been witnessing a big shift towards automation. Hope you notice that some marketers are now doing the work of entire team. They are creating content faster, launching campaigns quicker, analyzing data in minutes, and generating leads around the clock. The secret isn't working harder, it is using AI strategically. In this video, I'm going to show you 15 real use cases, the ways digital marketers are using ChatGPT in 2026 to save time, increase productivity, and get better results. And I'm dividing these 15 use cases into three parts, so that you can listen and learn one by one. So let's get started. So in this video, we're going to provide more details on research and strategy. Right. Yeah. See here, use case one, audience research. So this prompt that I'm sharing here, it will be useful for the marketing researchers and customer insight strategist. The task would be identifying deep-seated pain points for a specific target audience. For example, I'm targeting particular audience, like you have to define your audience. Example, pharma, IT, business, real estate, whatever. And this is a prompt you have to use. So you can act as an elite market researcher, brainstorm the top 7 hidden challenges, emotional roadblocks, and daily frustrations faced by your target audience for each challenge, and provide all these 3 points. The external problem, what happens, the internal feelings, how it makes them feel, and the underlying objection they will have when presented with a solution. See, format the output as a clean markdown table. So you go to ChatGPT and use this prompt with your target audience, and you can see the actual outcomes, which are going to amaze you. And the second one, content ideas. The second use case. This will be good for YouTube content strategists, or even the blog writers, whoever are creating content, right? To get to generate high CTR content ideas. So context is like channel niche, is like you have to insert what are the platform you're using, travel, food, or digital marketing, or AI, whatever. So you can act as a YouTube content growth expert, generate 50 unique high CTR videos, ideas for a channel dedicated to insert your whatever our target audience, and group this idea into 5 distinct content pillars, 5 distinct content pillars for each idea. Provide a working title designed to maximize click-through rate and a one-sentence hook. Premise: focus on high-value, actionable topics, not basic overviews. I'll give the fantastic one. And here's the third one for senior SEO content directors who have been spending more time on SEO industry, and it will help you to create an SEO optimized comprehensive article blueprint. You to use target keywords For example, geo for setup guide. Right, your prompt would be act as an expert, SEO content director, generate a comprehensive semantic blog, outline for the target keywords. What are the keywords you can use? Like you can use a geo for setup guide. Include an optimized H1, logical H2 and H3 subheadings, and a brief bulleted list under each section explaining what intent must be satisfied. Ensure the structure maps perfectly to searcher intent and satisfies Google's EAT guidelines. Expert, right? And moving to use case 3, competitor analysis. So this is one of the important tasks that every digital marketer or SEO expert will be focusing on to understand what your competitors are doing, right? So you can use this prompt for the analysis to extract positioning gaps from competitor copy. So you can mention as it is, act as a strategic competitive analyst, review the following text extracted from a primary competitor's website, and paste competitor text and their landing page copy here within the prompt, and write analyze this data and provide a concise SWOT metrics specifically focusing on their market positioning. Identify 3 distinct positioning gaps or weakness in their messaging that your marketing campaigns can exploit. It will help you to get the best competitor analysis. So as a digital marketer, you may get challenged to optimize your landing page to get high conversions, right? To audit and rewrite landing pages, elements or conversations. So you can use this prompt for the current landing page, where you're going to write act as an expert, conversion rate optimizer, optimization, copywriter, review my real landing page elements, current landing page elements, like current headings, current CTA, value, proposition, and provide 3 high converting alternative variations for each element. So this prompt will help you to get the best high conversion copywriter, and you can use this to get. And the next one is customers persona development. So this is another important one. Who does behavioral research, right, to get more details about customers persona. And when you are doing any go-to marketing strategies, you need to understand first the customers persona, right? And this prompts will help you out. So you can write this as it is and include all these points: core professional goals, demographic details, and top 3 day-to-day challenges, immediate buying triggers, primary objections to purchasing. It will help you out to get the customer persona details. So these are the prompts that I've been using for my day-to-day work, and I'll insert these prompts in the chart in the description. You can copy and use as it is by changing your industry or your niche. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this Digital AI YouTube channel. It's a first attempt. It's my first video, and hope you like it. I know there are mistakes. I'll try to learn and correct all the time. And the next one I'll be uploading content execution. So far we have seen how we're going to analyze for blog, SEO, copywriter, engaging content using ChatGPT from the different prompts. And here In the next one, I'll be sharing content execution prompts. So that'll be more interesting. Uh, Thank you. Please do support.